together like it meant to be this way each and every day. It's meant to be this way each and every day. It's meant to be this way. That's what my brother Usman says. Oh yeah. With Ringo Vision we cooking Italy. Brother Usman keeping the fire blazing. It is so amazing. Naturally created by the Most High. Tell him, Brother Uzi. That is you, I must say. Like I say, for each and every one we earning. From each and every one we earn just little by little we get together. It's not so much complicated, just the way it meant to be. If you make it so complicated, you never see again. Make a light a fire blazing for today, to remind that day meant to be this way. Let it be the light, and let the wind blow. Satisfy my day. Whoa, whoa. Yes, everybody, wagwan. You done know, say a 24-hour kitchen people, yeah. Welcome to the program. We're in season 7, people. Big up yourself. We're outside again. Yeah, man, the voices that you just heard from Brother Osman and King David, people, yeah. Big them up. A good vibe. We fully what? Yeah, man, we're fully active and we're fully outside by the riverside, people. Yeah, man, outside. See, we just blaze up a fire right now. And I got something quick and fast I want to give you on the menu, people, yeah. Big up yourself. You don't know what I go on today. Today we are going to do a quick little vibration. Fry some chicken for you quickly. Forest style, river style, people, yeah. A good vibes. Yes, everybody, let me give you a quick little tour of the apartment. A good vibe. So yeah, man, it's a 1-bedroom apartment, as you can see inside. Yeah, man, a 1 bed. We've got a bag here. You get a water inside when you come in, people. You get a board game. We've got a Monopoly. Everybody inside. Yeah, man, sleeping bag. A good vibes. Yeah, man. So yeah, so we are staying. We've got a 24-hour kitchen veranda said way. Yeah, man. See the water boot them here. We've been active. Oi, people, look and see what I go on. So good vibes. Yeah, man. So today we're outside and we're going to give you a fried chicken style. But the type of fried chicken we're giving you today, people, yeah, no, normal style of fried chicken. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Yes, come in. So yes, people, I'm here with Brother Osman and King David. So a good vibe. So we got our chicken seasoned up, people, yeah, with the all-purpose seasoning mix. Yeah, man. So come in and see what I go on. Come in. Bring the camera in so that we can see all of this. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So this is the first stage, everybody. Yeah, man. Yes, everyone. So what's happening right now? We've got a Scotch bonnet pepper in our oil, and our chicken is frying up nice and slowly on. We've created our own coal from burning oak wood and let it burn down into coal, people, yeah. So our good vibes. Where are we at right now cooking? You see that? Look at that beautiful, that glare in the river, the reflection of the sun. You can see that redness, everybody. Yeah, man, the red sky in the background. Yeah, man, it's not a joke thing. We're cooking the most amazing fried chicken right now, exotic style, people, yeah. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active and we're fully outside.
Wow, look at that, everyone. Look, we're down by the riverside. Look at that beautiful, beautiful sunset in the background. The color in the sky, everybody. Yeah, man, good vibes. What are we cooking today? We're cooking some fried chicken, exotic fried chicken, people, yeah, by the riverside. Yeah, man, good vibes. Let's check in on the pot. All right, things are gone. So the chicken are gone fry up, yeah. So what I'm gonna start to do is start to add in the ingredients, them nice and slowly, people, yeah. Good vibes.
Yes, greetings, Ringo Vision,
Yes,
greetings.
Yes, people. So we're gonna start to add the ingredients into the pot. I'm here with my brother Osman, people.
Greetings, brother Oz, greetings.
Yes, man. So exotic chicken, you know, people. Yeah, man, at the style there. So I got the red onion that I'm just cutting up right now, quick and fast. That we're just gonna put into the pot. Everybody are good vibes. So yeah, man, it's come in. You can see the chicken fry up nice and slowly, everybody. The smell that's coming out of the pot right now is a good vibes. Yeah, man.
It's lovely, Ringo.
A good vibe.
Nice.
A good vibe there, David. So we're gonna just chop up the onion them like so and make everything just go on fry in. Yeah, man, big up yourself, people. We're in season 7. Yeah, man, we're almost at the end of season 7. So if you've just come on the journey, big up yourself, said way. So we have water here on deck. We're gonna add the tomato in now, everybody. So our good vibes. Yeah, man, fireside. So chopped tomato, red onion has gone into the pot. And next, what we're gonna put into the pot, we're gonna just start to peel up some Irish potato and drop them into the pot, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. Good vibes. Yes, everyone, so what I'm doing, I'm just chopping up the potato, the Irish potato, and just adding it to our pot. Our good vibes.
Yes, brother Osman.
Yeah.
So tell the people where you're from.
Well, I come from Guyana, you know. Therefore, you know, it's a lovely country. It's just like
Which part of the world?
South America, you know, but we don't call South America, we call Guyana. That's it.
So it's in the continent of South America, a country.
That's what they say, you know, but we looking to move forward than that, you know, to get back where we come from.
Yes.
But what's the special food you have in Guyana?
Well, I would say the palika.
Palika, what's palika, brother Osman?
Palika is the fish, you know, when they do the barbecue. And when you eat it, it got a special, it's very delicious. And when you crunch it, you don't want to end, you know, you will still eat up until, like, you know.
You want them delicious one, yeah?
One the most delicious fish.
So how you do it? You fry it or you
this
stew it?
fish, you know, where you can catch this fish, you know, by the river, you know. So if you go to, you know, like Amazon, or you go to like place like Saint-Laurent du Maroni, or you go to, there's so many places, you know, where the river,
Yeah.
you know, leading, and then the sun is the palika that come like in the summertime out, you know. If you go in the night,
So it sounds like a good vibe, Osman. Look, just add some garlic to the pot as well, everyone. Yeah, man, to just infuse some of the flavor more into the pot. So we've got the carrot, the garlic, the red onion, and the potato. Yeah, man. Big up brother Osman. Brother Osman come from Guyana, and he's just telling us about the traditional dish that he has back home. It's a fish dish, and he say more time when they go down to the sea and they catch this fish, you know, it's like a local fish.
no, if you have to go like if you go up on the field, like we call savannah.
Savan.
Yeah. And therefore, you know, there's like it's like a place, you know, where there's a lot of trees.
Yeah.
Like a forest, you know.
Yeah.
But they always like a river, you know, where the spring is a not even you see from the spring water.
Yeah.
You know, it's come from the soul, from the source water. You know, and that water is very. I will, you know, most of the people, you know, they go like in the summertime.
Yeah.
They go and wash the skin, and it's good also to drink. You know, you can cook your food, and it's you can drink. You know, it's no water like you will avoid. You haven't got no chemical. It just come from the source underneath the soul of the earth. So when it come, you know, with the pressure, you know, with the trees and the stone,
So
it's the color.
1 second. King David just put a dash of
Splash of lime.
lime in there, you know.
With some zest.
Good vibes, everyone. So everything is set. All the flavors is gone infusing. So now we just give the pot a nice little stir, and we're just gonna make this just go and stew down all together. Everybody has just a one pot, and then what we're gonna do, simple, just add some more of the all-purpose seasoning mix. That's it. Good vibes. Yes, everyone. So what we're doing, we're just building up the fire because we need to get the fire kicking, just so that we can get the food going and cooking the right way, as how it should be cooking, everybody. So yeah, man, King David there. So I chop up some fine stick to just blaze up the fire. We don't need too much fire, but we just need the right amount to have it blazing where we've got a flame underneath it now. Good vibes.
Yes, Ringo, we're just building up the fire back.
Yeah,
Catch it back up again.
good vibes.
Blaze, fire, blaze. So we're just putting some steady air in it, you know. Warm up the sticks because right now it's a little bit damp out here, you know. So our coals, we have to get our coals nicely going with oak wood, damp oak wood. The fire blazing nicely.
I'm gonna do it explaining how the different fish, you know. Gotta fight, yeah, we must fight. We gotta fight. Africa liberate, see my word, we all over the world, and we in a shot all over the world. Africa, you must be free.
So we're back in action again. The fire is blazing. Gonna put the pot back on the fire, everybody. Have good vibes.
Easy skunk it. Easy skunk.
That is it. Look at that. We're back in action again now, in full effect this time. This time we're coming like it a kick even hotter now. Yeah, man, brother, husband, run our vibes because I chant some music in our background. Good vibes.
What you done is good, so beautiful. You see my brother speak down. What he done today? He put his heart, he's put his vision, and put his mind. He made it good today. He wanna say yeah. He took some potato and some carrot and some onion and some chicken, yeah. He make it fry upon the fire, yeah. He put his heart and his mind. He put all his energy to make this food today. Watching what he do, observe what he done. While he wake up this morning, had a vision. He's gonna make this food turn into reality, yeah. Is it true what I'm saying? My brother Ringo is so fully when it comes to the food that everyone attending. For the day they will come to your hand. Yeah, they will come to your hand.
Wow, good vibes everyone, everything's now nice. So yeah man, the stew chicken outside, riverside, fry up. I understand we just light fry it and then we just strew it down with some potato, some carrot, some garlic, yeah man, some red onion. The scotch bonnet's been there from the start. Right now the flavours in there is kicking out people. Yeah man, good vibes, good vibes. Let me give the pot a little stir around. See what I go on in the pot. Soon reach a completion. The potatoes them soon soften up everybody. A good vibe. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. Yeah man, we're there. So look, it's late right now. Night come down, so we just cook the final look of food, people, yeah, before we camp out and just chill out for the rest of the night. Yeah man, a good vibe. But right now we're back watching, cause we just see some bat them a fly around. Don't know if you can see them, but some bat there. So look, there you go.
Low.
They're flying around low.
Rest in that conscience. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yes. These are the big fish, yeah. Always try to eat down the small fish. I said the small fish.
Yes, everybody. So we come to almost a completion. A good vibes. Everything I cook nicely, slowly. Yeah man, we outside. It's a vibes. Yeah man, make the fire just go and cook everything nice and slow, everybody. No rush, we just there. So a good vibes.
More fire.
Yeah, we could have put a little more fire underneath it, yes, but it's kinda alright still. No? It's just like when you're at home and you're just cooking and it's on a low. And you just a chill out. And you're in no rush for cook neither. Yeah, one of them one day.
Like hot. You can put
So
it
just
straight on
push
there
up
if
the
you
fire, everybody. So our good vibes.
want. Settle it, Uzi. Shake it down. Settle it. No. Yes, sir.
Good vibes. Wow, everyone. So we come to a final completion. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. The stew chicken just stew down nicely with the carrot and the potato. Just a look at one pot, people, yeah. Yeah, man. Just a light fry. We give it a light fry and then we just stew it down nicely, people. So this is a nice meal outside camping, people. You can see, so we're there. Night come down now. We're fully there outside, people. Yeah, man. Good vibes. Good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. We're there. Yes, everyone, as you can see, look, wow, amazing. So we come to a completion now. Everything did there. The stew, the potato, yeah man, the chicken, the carrot, everything in there, people, yeah. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, people, yeah. It was amazing to be outside doing this. Right now I'm gonna tuck in, have a light look of feed up, and then rest up, and then get up in the tomorrows to leave campsite, people, yeah. So good vibes. Big up yourself. Don't forget to what? Yeah man. Good vibes.
I will fly away home to Zion, fly away home. When bright morning my work is done, I will fly away home. that you no forget your scale. Wherever you do, you remember your time. Wherever you do so, internal flame, it make me see the sign of creation. Remember we never have no light, no fire. How we used to make a fire by the internal holy stone, holy stone, holy stone, holy stone, holy fire burning. Whoa, we know where we stand for and what the fire represented for our purification all the day of my life. Treat me like a king, teach me my way. Don't make me false, don't make me misery, because the life we're living. Teach me better than yesterday. Teach me your way, and I will be sure where I stand for, and look for my own on earth. I know life will glow, life will flow, life is like a navigation. Life will go all over the world to see the sunshine.